Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. Today we got a nice analog watch face that is a paid watch face and it's worth it for download, so I think, in the Gear Manager store. But at the end of the day, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Now, the name of it is called RK Analog Sport 1. Definitely a great look. Has a sports look to it for a super dressed down casual watch face. This one is not bad. Not bad for the archives at all. Now, in the AOD mode, you will get the same look, the same info, the same analog look at a glance with no problem. But once the watch face is on, I do like to look at this one. I do like the analog hands. They do have a premium look to it as well. Now, again, this watch face has a nice sports look to it. You get a couple of dials. The one to the top will give you information on your days of the week. And if you come down to the bottom, you will get info on your battery life as well. Here, you're going to get your date, step status info, and you get your digital time. So that means you get the best of both worlds. And don't forget, you get a nice black ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. Now, the watch face is interactive, but not like what you think. The information that you get up front so far as your digital time, of course, your step status info, everything is right up front for you. You can't tap into it at all to go in and extract more information. But what you can do is you can customize the color theme of the watch face by a single tap. You got to tap in a certain place. And for me, I got the screensaver on, screen protector, so it gets in the way a little bit. And you can come over here, you can do the same thing, and you can customize the color any which way you want. I thought that was pretty nice as well. I tap down at the bottom, I can change the color rings of the dials, and I thought that wasn't bad. Now for the hands, if I tap on the 55, if I tap on the 5, I can customize those as well. So for a watch face that costs 87 to 89 cents, I thought this was a good look. Again, at the end of the day, it is all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, have a great day. Enjoy the Monday grind. Remember, grind hard and it will be over with soon. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.